Great hands, Jack.
Thanks.
How'd you get them?
Some people were born with great hands. Other people had to work for them. I used to think it was hopeless, but then I found Thumbmaster. Every single time you squeeze Thumbmaster, you strengthen and tone right where you need it. So it's easy to squeeze your way to shapely fingers and thumbs.
Thumbmaster is designed to isolate and strengthen these muscles. That's why I recommend it and use it myself. Cutting-edge technology behind the Thumbmaster initiates purposeful, goal-directed movements which, when performed repetitively, strengthen the muscles in the hand. This motion is an example of voluntary movement, as opposed to involuntary movements, which consist of mono and polysynaptic reflexes and are initiated without conscious control, such as the expansion of the pupil in dim light. Voluntary movements require the brain to make conscious decisions to perform the particular function. When Jack exercises with his Thumbmaster, he is contracting specific muscles in his body, all of which are voluntary movements. The performance of voluntary movements engages almost all of the neocortex and is organized in multiple stages, as depicted on the diagram. First, visual information is sent to the brain, establishing a purpose to execute a certain action. Signals are then sent to the premotor cortex to strategize how to execute this action and to command the movement. Primary motor cortex neurons send out an efferent signal which traverses down onto the spinal cord. The nerves from the spinal cord synapses onto the muscles so the signal is relayed. Lateral pathway signals engage the motor neurons and interneurons of the spinal cord, which cause the muscles of the hand and forearm to contract. The sensory cortex receives a message from sensory receptors on the fingers, confirming that the cup has been grasped, and the sensory information is carried to the brain via the spinal cord. The information passes through various structures in the brain to make necessary adjustments. Such structures include the basal ganglia to judge grasp forces, and the cerebellum to correct movement errors. After passing through these structures, the message finally arrives in the somatosensory cortex, informing the brain that the cup has indeed been grasped. I thought I'd never fit into these gloves again. But thank you, Thumbmaster. Now I can.
My problem with most exercise programs is finding time to do them. That's not a problem with Thumbmaster. It's quick and easy, and you can use it at any time. And when I travel, Thumbmaster travels right along with me.
All across America, people are discovering what personal trainers like myself have known for years. With Thumbmaster, it's easy to squeeze your way to shapely fingers and thumbs.
Come on now, Jack.
The secret to shapely thumbs is exercising these muscles with just the right resistance. Too little is ineffective, too much may be painful. This balance resistance coil is designed to give you results quickly and comfortably. Thumbmaster. It's quick, it's easy, it really works, and it makes life fair. After all, we may not have all been born with great hands, but now we can look like we were.